Hello everyone, it's almost Christmas again. Gosh, this year has gone so quickly, hasn't it? Last Christmas, my wife Margaret bought me this lovely Christmas bauble. I shouldn't complain because after 30 years of marriage, most men just get a pair of socks. Anyway, as you can see, it's got peacock eyes on it. I love it. So much so that I hung it in the office above the computer so I could enjoy it every day. And I get asked a lot the same question that all writers, poets, musicians, philosophers get asked every single day, namely, where do you get your ideas from? My favourite thriller writer, Colin Bateman, has a great stock answer for this. He says, I buy them from a shop on the Old Kent Road. Anyway, sometimes these simple questions have complicated answers, so I wrote this book in an attempt to answer that question. And somebody asked me, what's it about? And I said, well, there's a clue in the title. It's about me. But in this case, the answer is simple, because the inspiration for this mosaic is this bauble. Now, anybody else would have gone on the computer and in Photoshop replicated the circles. I didn't want to do that because I want this to look as though I've made it and not a machine. So what I did was I drew round my mug, and that gives it a quirky look. From these drawings, these are the preliminary drawings, which are as scanty and sketchy as usual. I then go to this. I've made some marini, which get fired onto the eyes. They get fired onto the bigger eyes. And then I'm going to put a peacock in front, like so. And that'll be that. I think it's looking pretty good already, don't you?